Hi there, welcome to our C++ tutorial. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate to you the decision using the if conditional statements. Conditional statements are used to allow the program to perform different actions. The simplest conditional statement is the if-else, which can be used without the else. The syntax of the if-else statement uses the keyword if followed by the test expression inside the parentheses that returns either true or false. Next are program statements that are enclosed in a pair of curly braces. These program statements are executed if the above expression returns true. The program statements enclosed in curly braces following the keyword else are executed when the test expression above returns false. Now, as mentioned before, these conditional statements can be used without the keyword else. So this time we will create a simple program that will display something on the screen depending on the input of the user. Since we will be getting an input from the user, we're going to declare a variable. Then I'm going to prompt the user for an input. So I will be asking the user to enter the word yes in uppercase if the text on the screen are readable. Then I'm going to store the response of the user in our variable answer. So if the answer of the user is the same to the word yes in uppercase, then it will print something on the screen, and we're going to display the phrase hello world. So as mentioned before, the if-else conditional statement can be used without the keyword else. So let us try and execute this program. So it prompts the user, or it asks the user to type the word yes in uppercase if the texts are readable. So I'm going to type the word yes. Then it prints the hello world. However, if we print or we type the word yes in lowercase, it displays nothing after our input because in our program we only specify the word yes in uppercase. So to make our program responsive for the input of the user, which is not the word yes in uppercase, we can use the keyword else. Then we can print something on the screen. So in this case, if the above test expression returns false, or if the input of the user is not equal or not the same with the word yes in uppercase, it will print the string sorry, the font size may be too small for you. So let us try the output of our program. So it asks us to type the word yes. So for example, I input yes in lowercase. Then it prints the string, sorry, the font size may be too small for you. This is the same for other inputs, which is not equal to the yes in uppercase. So we can type anything, something. Then when we enter, sorry, the font size may be too small for you. And remember, when using the conditional statement, if the operator used is the equal operator, which uses two equal signs. This is different from the assignment statement, which uses a single equal sign. Now this is all for this video, and thank you for watching.